students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. In this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the way to prepare depreciation account. For explaining the method of preparing depreciation account, I am taking question number 1 of NCERT. Okay, yesterday I have solved the same question and I explained you how to prepare the machinery account. Now one more account is to be prepared, depreciation account. Format, ledger format we need to prepare here. Date particulars, JF amount, date particular JF amount. JF means general folio. Okay, general folio means the page number of the journal entries. Okay, where from the same transaction is copied or posted. Okay, now whenever depreciation is charged on the asset, then the journal entry to be passed is depreciation account debit to asset, that is machine. Okay, yesterday in the previous online class session, I explained you that method of calculating depreciation, and we calculated depreciation amount as 18,000 rupees. Okay, go through the previous video also. Okay, depreciation is 18,000 rupees. It is charged. Depreciation is loss in the value of the asset. Loss whenever increases are to be shown on the debit side as per the rules of debit and credit. And because of this debt, the value of the asset will decrease. That is, machinery will decrease. The decrease in the value of the asset is shown on the credit side. Okay. Now, whatever is the debt amount, it is written off from the profit and loss account of the concerned year. The profit amount whenever is used to write off the loss, for example depreciation, okay, right? Then in that case the profit decreases. Whenever profit decreases is to be shown on the debit side, and depreciation loss will also decrease because it is written off against PL, right? So these are the journal entries to be passed. We need to prepare depreciation account. Depreciation you can see in the journal entry is shown on the debit side. Okay, so while preparing the depreciation account, we need to make posting on the debit side, but the name of the item which is representing depreciation on the credit side, its name will be used on the debit side of depreciation account. See, to machine, 18,000 rupees. Now the second journal entry is PL account debit to depreciation. Here the depreciation is shown on the credit side. So on the credit side of the depreciation account, you need to show what? PL, profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account. Right, at the end of the year, these two journal entries are needed to be passed because debt and the debt amount writing off will be done at the end of the year. Okay, in each of the years the same treatment will be there, the same type of posting will be there. On the debit side we need to write machine, and on the credit side we need to write PL account in all the 4 years. The 4 years depreciation account is asked in the question, and thus we need to just copy the same posting made in 2011, and that is pasted on in the year 2012, 13 and 14. Okay, so this is the solution. This is the way of preparing depreciation account. Okay, right, just take the screenshot of the same solution. You can take the screenshot. And copy it in the fair. Okay. Now some very important points I used to explain you some very important terms and points I have used to explain the same, that is depreciation account preparation. Just go through the video repeatedly and note down the key points which I have explained you, which I used while explaining you the same debt account. Okay, right? And just prepare the notes on the basis of this explanation. Now what you need to just solve the preceding questions. Try to solve the preceding questions. Okay, right? Like question number 2, 3, you just try them. Okay, right? If you are unable to solve, that problem of yours will be solved. Just you need to ask your queries. You need to just share your queries, questions on my personal WhatsApp number. Your queries will be solved. Your problems will be solved out. Okay, right? So that's all for today. Have a nice day.